This dance is Fiesta Cha Cha, choreographed by Shirley Donaghy. It's a 32 count, 2-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, cross rock, recover, side chasse, cross rock, recover, chasse, a quarter turn right. Section 2, step forward, pivot a half turn right, shuffle a quarter turn right, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, right, left, right. Section 3, scuff and kick, hook across, shuffle forward, left, right, left, step forward, pivot a half turn left, shuffle forward, right, left, right. Last section, side rock, recover, triple in place, side rock, recover, triple in place. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance.